Hi everyone and welcome to that new video. Today we're going to talk about conditional statements. Very often when writing code you want to perform different actions for different decisions. You can use the conditional statements in your code to do this. In JavaScript we have to follow conditional statement. For example, we can use if to specify a block of code to execute if a condition specified is true. You can use else to specify a block of code to execute if the same condition is false. And we can use else if to specify a new condition to be tested if the first condition is false. We can use switch to specify many alternatives code blocks to execute. But let's go to that JS file to check what we are talking about. We go to index.js, we go to the HTML page, we click on Analyze Element, and we go to the console as usual. Let's start with the first one. Maybe just to have a clean output, we can comment and save. And then we have if condition console log yes, else console log no. Of course here is showing yes, because we say that the const condition is true. Of course if we put false, going to get no. Very straightforward. Let's go to the following block. We can just comment that. We save. And we have a cleaner output. So we have a const number is 44, and then we declare basically two variables, one that is not reassignable and one that is code is locked in the area is acting. One is number. In that case, we assign 44, and then result. If number equal, so is perfect correspondence, result 10. Then we have a same 55, then we have 44, and so on, otherwise number not found. Okay, so in the beginning we have 44, like you see here. Let's write 33. That is not one of the options. Save, refresh, number not found. That's a very simple if else cycle, 55 and so on. Let's go through it step by step. We have a value, in that case a number, and then we have another variable that we call result. We say if the number is perfectly equal to 10, then we print console log result, and result is equal to 10. Else if, so if it's not 10 but is 55, we can print 55. Look that result is like a content. We are going to console log always result, but it's going to change according to that value in constant number. Else if, so as you see we can put as many else if as we want. If we want to add another one, it start here you can just copy and start from here and add a different number. What we said before was 33. And we can just check if we write it properly. 33. So that is it. Just you can have the number of iteration you want. Let's format the document. So you have a right indentation. So that's it for that specific example. It's simple because I want to underline how it run and how it end. Of course, if nobody of the condition is true, we just end with else and number not found. Okay, we comment that and we take off comment from here. I'm not taking in the part. Okay, let's do it manually. Here we have const good something true, so it starts being true, and then we assign the variable time, and we assign to that new date get hours. That's something built in JavaScript, so is change like time goes by. Let's save and check what's happening. Actually, here is 10:30 AM. So let's check, as you can see in the watch in the top right corner. So let's check it out. So say good afternoon. That's super weird. Yeah, I should just put there 12 and save. Yeah, so it's good morning at least until midday. Otherwise, if so it is if time is less than 12, console log good morning. Else if time is less than 20, is good afternoon. Otherwise, is good evening. We can put probably a different number here, so it makes a lot more sense. Of course, that is not gonna change because it's always the time it is, but just a few examples to explain how conditional statement works. It's another very important concept, not only in JavaScript but in general in programming, because it allows us to iterate logic and allows us to write better code. Make exercise, changing what I have given to you. Try to create a different structure with a different logic for different reasons. Have fun. Thank you for your attention and see you to the next video. Bye.